In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Ram 3500 key fob. This key fob takes one CR2450 battery. You can get these online. I'll put a link in the description if you'd like to get one on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. And then let's get right into it. First thing, find this button on the right side of the key fob, hold it down, and remove your internal key. Now, this back part is what we're going to be lifting off. It's just a thin piece of plastic. If you look up close here, what we have are two little holes, one on the left and one on the right. We're going to use something like a precision screwdriver. This is the easiest way, the safest way. You could use a regular screwdriver. I'll show you how to do both, but if you want to get something like this, you can get a pack of these on Amazon for just a couple of bucks. I will also leave that in the description if you're interested. And so what we do is we go into the hole, push it in, and then kind of lift up, pry up until we hear a pop, and you can see that the left side is starting to come off now. We'll do the same thing over here on the right. You can come into this hole or into this opening that you've created, and what we want to do is just lift up. Go inside and then lift up. And once you've made another opening on the right side, you should be able to just pull it apart with your fingers. Now, if you want to use a big screwdriver, it's the same thing. Just be careful. You want to wiggle into that area with the hole. And once you have gone inside a little bit, twist or turn. Oops. Turn like a key, just gently until you hear that pop. Come in on the other side, turn, and now we are in. From here, all we need to do is pull the battery down, and then we can get at it with our fingernails, or you can use your screwdriver and take out the old battery. Get yourself a new CR2450 battery and put it in positive side up, just like that, and then push it down and up. Just like that. Now, last thing, we are just going to click the back of the key fob back into place and go ahead and put your key back in, and that is all it takes. You are all set and ready to go. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. For more information on how to change the battery for any of your key fobs from any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.